Hi there. I thought I'd make a quick video about guided practice. Now, as a part of the workshop model, you might be wondering, how can we bring that online? And another question you might be asking is it really that important? And no shocker here, yes, it is extremely important. I'm going to get to some key points as to why you need to make sure guided practice is part of the blended learning environment or remote learning environment you might find yourself in. So here's a key point to start off with, a great quote. It says, critical stage in the model. Here it's talking about gradual release of responsibility, but it would also work in terms of the workshop model, is guided practice. The stage in which the teacher gradually releases task responsibility. And that part there is a key thing there. Gradual release. Since we're expecting the task and the responsibility for the task to be 100% on the student, you need to make sure there's this gradual release so that the student's able to find success in what they're doing. So I also found another, there's a site here. There's a great quote right here. It says, the purpose of guided practice is to serve as a bridge to being successful when students apply the strategies independently. Therefore, conferring, there's a great word there, conferring with children as they work is a critical part of guided practice. So this conferring part has so many benefits to it. One of the key things is engagement. It will really help make sure engagement is happening, that your students feel that you're there for them, that you're connected, showing that you aren't just modeling the lesson for them, but you're there to help them through it. You might be used to the workshop model in your classroom, maybe looking like this. We have a turn and talk, or different ways of doing it at different grade levels. So I have a little example I want to show you, and that is here in Google Classroom. Now I created my own classroom. This has only my son as a student, so I have his permission to show this. Just created a pretend activity that has a pretend mini lesson that I've done before on jot notes. And in my directions here, I make sure that I model even what I'm expecting from the guided practice piece. It says, watch the video and then respond with a quick jot note back of a possible setting for your choose your own adventure. You can change your mind later, but just send a quick jot note with an idea that could work for you or be an idea for someone else. Remember, just a quick jot note, no need for complete sentences. The comments here is great in Google Classroom for this part of the workshop model because they can do a quick comment back. It could be a private comment directly to you or a class comment, kind of like that quick mini share where you can comment back and the students can hear the comments. Thing is, like, here's a good example here. Well, let's say after all this about the jot notes, and the activity is going to be about generating ideas using jot notes, I ask for a quick jot note response, and I get a big long sentence. That worries me because the student might take a full, long, frustrated day trying to start writing his entire story when really it was just getting the jot note details down, and there will be support the next day for moving on to the next spot. So the student, I'd also watch after I give a comment back. I'd also make sure that when they go into their Google Classroom and start their Google document with their jot notes, that I check in on it, because that's another thing I can do in Classroom is check in real time to see, are they heading in the right direction? Did they get the message now? Are they on track? So that's the bridge, the gradual release of responsibility, making sure that that support is still there and the engagement that we're looking for. Okay, all right. Hope that helps a bit. Again, how important guided practice is, and just one way, a little tip on how to bring that into the online world. Thank you for watching.